Hey guys, so we got these stones and it's for the outside of our, or like just the outer part of our fireplace. I love the way that it looks. So we were wondering too if these were strictly meant for only outdoors, but we used it for indoors, so it's like a multi-purpose use. And then this is what it looks like on this side. But yeah, so if I pull back, this is what you get. I like how it's not just completely like the same type of shape specifically everywhere. Like it looks more realistic because they're like uneven, they're oddly shaped, and some of them, like you can definitely see in this one, how there's a portion that does stick out. And then there's just some that are more pressed in, which I feel like it makes it give like a realistic stone look to it. But yeah, really nice.